Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to Healthy Kitchen Wizard. So today is officially my second birthday celebration. That's right, you heard me right. My birthday part 2. Because why celebrate once when you can celebrate twice and call it self-care? Since we are keeping this sweet and simple, I baked a homemade apple pie, but I didn't film it today. Sometimes you just want to celebrate in the moment, you know what I mean? And today was exactly this kind of day. So you'll get to see my homemade apple pie, which is...
Look at that beautiful apple pie, and it has an apple design on it. That's the artist in my wife coming through on this beautiful apple pie, which I cannot wait to get into. And of course, we have to have tea to go with our apple pie. And in a moment, our friend will be here, so I'm just gonna sit tight and enjoy the beautiful evening and the beautiful candles. And I love this little tablecloth. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all the flowers. My goodness. I don't know where she gets it from, but that's my wife. She is something special.
Bella, you want some tea too?
Look at her.
You
Boy,
pretty
she
girl.
is back.
Well, we had to pause a minute because our good friend Stephen came over.
Hello out there in TV land.
In YouTube land.
YouTube land, okay, YouTube land.
Well, tell her what we're celebrating.
We're celebrating her 16th birthday. Sweet 16.
Her second birthday, because
Birthday.
because she's Jeannie, she gets as many birthdays as she wants.
All
true.
month long. We're celebrating my birthday all month long.
And she never gets enough presents.
Oh, we will get to that in a
Oh, we
minute.
get that. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Oh, the tea looks good. I think I'll even have
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Oh, that's a pretty teapot. Because
It
it's not
is.
such a pretty pot, I'm sure it makes it taste better.
We're having a Herod's pour here.
Oh, it's a nice cool
Yay.
evening, too. It's a nice cool evening.
Yes, it is.
Beautiful
Lovely.
evening, you know? Well, thank you for inviting me over.
Anytime.
Anytime,
darling.
Stephen.
You're welcome anytime. Anytime there's good food, right? So we have our tea done and we have our pie. And you know, I don't know if everyone is aware of this, but I want you all to be aware that you cannot have a homemade apple pie without vanilla ice cream. And not any vanilla ice cream. It has to be Ben and Jerry.
Oh my God. The
Oh,
most expensive
Haagen-Dazs
ice
would
cream.
probably do.
Yeah. So we're gonna cut the cake.
The
no,
pie.
The pie. And mind you, this pie is hot because I just took it out of the oven.
It's so pretty.
So I know that it will be
Oh my God, look
crumbly.
how thick it is. That's a thick pie. I thought that was sitting on a plate. I didn't realize it was in a dish.
Yes.
No, sir.
Oh, it's my house smells like Thanksgiving
Oh.
already.
God, she got fresh apples that she got today.
Yeah.
Mr. Steve went out and got them.
Yeah, and I'll tell you what, we went to Whole Foods today, and they wanted a lot of money for a skimpy little pie. That's all I'm going to say.
Oh my God.
And
That
look
pie,
how
that would
flaky.
cost. It won't be that good, but it'll be about almost $20.
Yeah.
you know.
It wouldn't have a crust like this, I'll tell
it
you
wouldn't-
right now.
It wouldn't be. That's beautiful.
Oh, it's so flaky, it's just falling apart.
That's the best part. I love the crust.
I didn't realize you all were sitting out here. It's nice.
Isn't
Beautiful.
it nice out here,
It's
Steve?
beautiful.
I wanted you to come and enjoy some of the ambience with us.
Yeah, I'm gonna close your gates, the door, so that no bugs are flying there.
Yeah, leave just the crack in case Bella wants to.
Oh, okay.
You know, she's the princess. She gets
Oh,
the.
look at that.
She
The
ain't going
smoke
nowhere.
is
She gonna
still
stay
coming
right out
out of
here.
it. I'm gonna get some of this goodness right here. Okay, baby.
Settle down, Bella. Settle down. I know you love Uncle Stevie.
Okay, Steve, we're gonna give you the first piece.
Oh my God, I can't believe that.
And then we'll have,
You mean that, Steve?
No, you.
we have two Steves here, so let's not get them confused.
Oh God.
Here, Stephen.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh my.
You want more ice cream, Steve, or is that
Another
good?
tiny little scoop, just like that one. That'll be it. That's
Okay.
plenty. That'll be plenty. Well, they give you a big old container, don't they? They'll make sure that you don't overstuff yourself on vanilla ice cream. Well, that looks like a.
Here
that
you
looks
go,
like a-
my dear.
Oh my God. Oh, I don't want them to watch me.
Yeah, no,
wolf this pie down.
I'm not
What's wrong
gonna-
with you? Now you watching me wolf this pie down.
Yeah.
See, I could be my own self if I know I'm not being filmed.
It's okay.
I'm teasing you. I'm gonna take a picture of my little piece of my. That's called, what is it called? Apple pie a la mode?
Yep.
So pretty. Mm-hmm.
Look at that crust, Steve. It's cooked all the way, honey. It's not like the ones you buy in the store.
Oh, you don't cook anything like you buy in the store.
I made a little mess. Oh my God.
Wow. That's pretty. You know, it was just made today and it's still hot. The pie is
Yeah.
still hot. Wow.
That's the best time to have the apple pie, because then the ice cream just melts.
Oh,
right.
that's enough for me, hon, if that's for me.
Okay. We're gonna put this here for you.
And just set it right there.
And it's crust. You want to take a picture of it close up, Steve? Look at that crust in there.
Oh yeah, I did. I took still pictures in
Oh, you did?
in the kitchen.
Look at the crust. I mean, it's amazing. Wow.
Well, everything's suddenly become quiet. So
That means we're
that tells me the food is good.
That means we're wolfing it down.
Oh my God. I have not had an apple pie homemade in for, oh my God, I gotta have this crust.
Jeannie, you're on tape here.
She don't eat like this all the time.
Just on my second birthday
Birthday.
celebration. Oh my goodness. Y'all have to excuse me.
Well, she did bake the pie, and I watched her. There's a lot of effort that went into it, but this is the benefits of it.
That's very good. I think this is probably the best homemade pie I've ever had.
Mm-hmm.
It was very good. Bella's just staring at me like, anybody get some?
Okay. We're gonna have our pie and we'll be back in a minute.
Bye.
Okay, everyone, we just had our apple pie and it was delicious.
No complaints here.
No complaints here. No.
Okay, everybody loved it and the ice cream was just absolutely
Yeah.
gorgeous.
And the tea was wonderful too.
Yes.
Okay.
And the ambiance was exceptional.
So we're just enjoying sitting out here, chilling for a bit. But I wanted to share one of my presents with you. And it's a very little one, but I can't tell you what's in it. Because it's a surprise. I'll tell you this much. I'll be going shopping is what I'm going to be doing.
Read between the lines.
Yes.
Oh, God.
So, that's my present. But I just wanted to share my second birthday celebration with all of y'all. And I want to say thank you for stopping by. Oh, I got ice cream on me. All of a sudden, I felt something cold. I was like, oh, what's that?
You must have enjoyed it.
I did. The apple pie was outstanding. And someday soon, I will make an apple pie from scratch, and so you all can see how to make my delicious apple pie. But thank you for stopping by, and we'll catch you in the next video. And please say hello to my guest, Steve.
Hello out there in YouTube land.
Oh, and by the way, this present is from Steve. And
Aww.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I'm just too good for myself.
So we will see you, and of course,
say bye, Bella.
say bye. Say bye. Look at me, I'm so beautiful.
Oh, God.
Thank you all. Take care. Bye-bye.